Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Business Department and Westchester East High School's DECA program. My name is Carol Lill, and my coworker Jeff Connor and I are so sorry that we've missed you tonight. We're actually at the Hershey Lodge and Convention Center with 118 East High School DECA members participating in their state competition. These students are participating in hopes of placing in the top 4 to then travel to the international competition in Atlanta, Georgia this year. So what we have for you tonight is some information about what DECA actually is, our business classes, and then a little testimonial from an alumni. At the end of this, if there are any other questions that we can answer for you, please feel free to email me at clill, Lill, at wcasd.net, and we're happy to answer any questions that you might possibly have. So to get started, a lot of times people wonder what DECA is and what does the acronym actually stand for. So DECA is an organization for high school students and also for college students that have an interest in preparing emerging leaders and entrepreneurs in marketing, finance, hospitality, and management in high schools and colleges around the globe. They actually do keep those two organizations separate for the competition levels. In addition to that, there are 4 different pillars that we're based on: helping your child be academically prepared, community-oriented, professionally responsible, and also experienced leaders. So in everything we do here at National DECA, as well as East High School DECA, we're trying to focus on those 4 different pillars and offer opportunities that resemble those 4 pillars to all of the students that are in our program. So at this point, you might be wondering, how does all of this work together? You're at a table that's talking about business classes, and now I'm talking about DECA. So this is how the whole thing goes down. So students that are enrolled in any of our business classes are welcome to become members of East DECA and take advantage of the opportunities, but they don't have to. It's not going to impact their grade in any direction. And it's something that most of our students do, but we definitely have students that they don't feel like it's something that they would like to partake in, but yet they still take business classes. So we've got several different combinations. One of the other things that is oftentimes not something that people are familiar with is that DECA is a co-curricular program, meaning that everything we learn in our business classes ties directly into our competition, therefore giving our students an advantage over other competitors. This is actually an alumni of ours that we're very proud of. So this is going to be Evan Feinstein, and he's going to share a little bit of his story on why he feels like DECA was a great fit for him as a high school business student.
My name is Evan Feinstein. I graduated East High School in 2011, and after I graduated, I went to Temple University where I majored in sport management and I had a concentration in promotions. Currently, I am the Assistant Director of Marketing at Wake Forest University, where I work in athletics, and I promote both men's and women's soccer as well as women's basketball. So I cover all the marketing for those 3 teams here at Wake Forest. The way that East DECA got me kind of started in my career path was first when I took Miss Lil's sport marketing class. I believe it was my sophomore year, and kind of got me interested in the other side of sports. So I was a student athlete when I went to high school. I played football and baseball there. But I was unknowledgeable of what the other side was like until I took that sport marketing class, and that's kind of what I started with at DECA. I did sport marketing as my category, which we have to take at my CV. My advice for anybody that's in DECA is to continue to work hard and build your network early. One of the things I can't stress enough for my career was just building my network in order to meet the right people, get to know the right people, so they can help me down the line. If any of you guys are interested in reaching out to me, Ms. Lil obviously has my contact information. You can also follow me on social media. My social addresses are Evan S. Feinstein, so at Evan S. Feinstein. Feinstein is Feinstein. And you can also reach me via email, which is feinstes@wfu.edu.
All right, and as you can see, we're very proud of Evan and all of our other alumni and what they've gone on to do. But one thing that's very important to note is that you're going to see that we're in the business department. Well, our programs are business focused, but the most important thing that we want to emphasize is really trying to help your child become the most professional young adult they can be, and whether that is for college interviews, entering the workforce, starting their own company, whether that is now or later, we just really want to help your child make sure that they kind of know what to expect, how to move through that interview process, and also handle themselves in different business-related situations. Here's a quick picture of students of ours. These girls are all alumni now. They're doing amazing things. This picture is from our state competition from a couple years ago, and all of these students would have done projects and also role plays, which is what our students are doing in Hershey right now. We're really proud to have a vast number of electives, and we're also really proud to offer 3 different ways that you can take a business class. We have whole year classes that are face-to-face. We also have semester classes that are face-to-face. And then we also have a plethora of cyber classes now that are full year as well as semester, and they are completely asynchronous. What that means by being asynchronous, it doesn't take up a period of day during your child's schedule, and all of the work is given out to the students on a Friday, and they figure out during that week-long time when they would like to get that done. A cyber class is a wonderful option for a student that really cannot fit in a business class, but they want to be involved. It's also a wonderful fit, of course, for students that are 100% in a cyber program. I will say that there are some students that may not really enjoy a cyber setting because there really is very little face-to-face teacher interaction, and it's very difficult to do hands-on projects. What I want to leave you with today is I'd just like to leave you with our different courses that we offer in our program. On this infographic, you're going to be able to see the way that our classes are going to be set up from full year to semester and also to cyber. If you are an incoming 9th grader, so if you're currently an 8th grader, one of the classes that we would really love to recommend to you is going to be the Introduction to Business class. It's going to be a full year long class, and it literally does introduce you to every area of business, and from there you can see which direction that you may want to take it. We have things in the world of marketing, accounting, personal finance, entrepreneurship, and then next year we have a new class that we're very excited about, which is project management and leadership skills. So if you find that some of these classes may be a good fit for you, we would love to have you check out our East Business Department as well as our DECA program if you feel like that's a good fit for you. Thank you so much for your time this evening. And again, if you would like to contact me with any further questions, my name is Carol Lill, and my email is clill@wcasd.net. Thank you for your time. Have a good night.